Today we're doing a 12-minute postpartum power workout. I will use light dumbbells. I'm gonna use 5 pounds. I probably could go heavier, but I'm gonna go on the lighter side so that I can up my speed safely and get some cardio in as well. If you have diastasis recti, go lighter or do the workout without any weights at all. Watch your core and ensure you're not getting any coning or doming down your midline. As you lift, you want to exhale, engage your core to protect your core. Let's start with a short warm-up before we grab our dumbbells or water bottles. We can squat down, arms circle around. Let's go the other way. Hamstring curls. Good, ankle circles. Exhale, engage to lift your knee. Going both ways. Other side. Other way. Good, we can grab our dumbbells. We can bring our feet wide apart into a sumo squat. Sumo down, narrow press up, coming up on your toes, keeping your core engaged. Exhale as you come up. Last one. We can bring our feet parallel now. We can raise laterally to the side. Lunge back with a bicep curl. Alternating sides. Really shoot your hips back here and hinge. Arms can come out to the side, back up. Exhale as you lift. I'm gonna get ready to put down one weight. You could also do this without a weight at all. Exhale, knee comes to your hands. Really focusing on your core. Amazing job. Setting up on the other side, nice bend in your supporting leg. Amazing. I'm going to put down my weights. For advanced, you can hop or big steps back and forth. Amazing. Let's grab a quick sip of water. We can grab both our dumbbells again. If you have diastasis recti, you can be in an all fours position here, or for more advanced, you can be in a kneeling plank. We're gonna push up, row. Letting your arms take the weight of your body. We can move the weights out of the way. We're gonna do a modified push-up again. This time stepping up, reaching all the way up, back down again, push up. Keep going. Option to grab one weight here. We're gonna move into a side plank balance. You can have your knee down with here, or for advanced, you can have both your feet touching the ground. And then we will dip our hip down. Core is strong. Breathing into your side and back ribs so that you can keep your core engaged. For an extra challenge, you can lift your toe off. Last one. Amazing. Let's flip over to the other side. Keeping your hips nice and high, dipping down. If your knees are down, option to lift that top toe up. One more. Amazing. Release out. You can place your weight back. Let's stretch into a child's pose. Fingers reach away, armpits reach down towards the ground. Big breath into your side and back ribs. Let's come onto all fours, tuck your toes, pressing into a downward dog. You can walk out your heels. Good, bringing your knees back down. Coming to your knees, you can clasp your elbows or your hands behind you. Let's open up through our chest, keep your ribs pulled down and in to protect your core. Good, release, rounding out the other way. Let's come sit on our glutes. Sitting tall. You can reach side to side. Good, coming up. You did an amazing job. That was not an easy workout. I'm so proud of you, and I hope that you're so proud of yourself. Today's workout is part of the Postpartum November Workout Challenge. Every month I put a new monthly challenge up to take the guesswork out of deciding on what workout to do for the day. You can find the newest month challenge in my community tab as well as in the playlist. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.